Hello everyone, we are JHIMS Technology, and this video is a pneumatic screw fastening machine. This machine is a pneumatic screw tightening system, custom designed and manufactured according to the customer's specific application requirements. The system features a high-torque pneumatic tightening solution, delivering a maximum torque of up to 65 kilograms, specially optimized for wood screw fastening applications. If you require high-volume screw assembly on a daily basis and are looking for a cost-effective solution, a handheld screw tightening machine is an excellent choice. It helps reduce labor intensity, improve tightening consistency, and increase overall assembly efficiency. If you are interested in our screw assembly solutions, please feel free to contact us. www.jhims.com. Please like and support us. Contact us to enjoy special pricing.